Okay. Uh, Suppose this is a triangle. How we represent triangle as ABC?
As three sides.
ABC, okay?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we call as this, like this, triangle ABC.
Yes.
And a triangle has three angles, right?
Yes.
This is one angle, this is another angle, and this is another angle. Okay. So this angle we
Yes.
call as angle ABC, angle ABC, right?
The whole angle.
No, this angle ABC, right?
Yeah. This angle is known as ABC.
And this angle we call as angle, or you can say that angle BCA or angle BAC also, ACB also. And upper angle we call as angle CAB or BAC.
Yes.
So these are the three angle of a triangle. You know, in triangle, sum of all the angles, like you add this all three angles, you will get 180 degrees. You know that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And one more thing, like if you see, suppose there's a line and on which another line is landing. So in that case, sum of this angle and this angle is 180 degree, right?
Yeah. This is actually, can we say it as linear pair
Yeah, it is
or
linear pair also, and we call it complementary angle or
yes.
complementary angle.
It's
Okay,
not complementary, supplementary angle.
supplementary angle, right?
And one more, there was there um, something starts from A.
Yeah.
Just didn't remember the name of, but we studied in triangles that when these type of angles are there, it can also be created in the form of adjusting or something like. I'm not getting
Okay.
the name now.
Okay, we can see it. No problem. So suppose this is your P, this is your Q, and this is your R. So we can say that, or this is your suppose S. We can say that angle PSQ and angle RSQ. If you add this both angle, you will get 180 degree, right?
Yes.
Now consider another case where there is a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. And we'll say that this is your A, this is your B, this is your C, and this is your D, right? So
Yes.
actually, if you see, it is a combination of these two, this triangle and this external angle, right? Because
Yes.
it has three angle also and one complementary angle also, right?
Yes.
So here, if you see, addition of these three angle is 180 degree, right?
Yes.
And addition of this angle and this angle is also 180 degree.
Yes.
So don't you think that this angle will be equal to sum of this and this? Because these two are 180 degrees, these three are 180 degrees. Like we can write
Yeah.
here, yeah?
Yeah,
Hello.
3 are 180 degree.
These three are 180 degree. If you subtract it, it will become 180 minus angle C, right? So you can say that angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree minus angle C.
Yes.
And again, here also, if you see this angle also, we can say that these two are 180 degree. So this angle will be 180 degree minus C.
Yes.
It means this angle is equal to sum of these two angle, right?
Yes.
So this is a theorem actually. You need to prove it. There is a means in exam they will ask you to prove that this angle is sum of these two angle. So how will you prove it? Let's go to prove it. So first of all, we'll draw a triangle. Okay. This is your A, this is B, this is C, and we can say this is D. Okay. So what we
Okay.
write, we will write first everything like suppose there is a triangle ABC and in which BC is extended up to D. So we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree, right?
Yes.
And also as per complementary angle, we can say that angle C plus angle ACD will be equal to 180 degree, right? This
Yes.
is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. So both are 180 degrees. So we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to angle C plus angle ACD, right?
Yes.
So angle C
Yes.
both side it will get cancelled. So we can say that angle A plus angle B will be equal to angle ACD, or we can say angle ACD will be equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay,
Yes.
you can easily prove it. Got it?
Yes.
So we call as theorem that external angle is equal to the sum of two opposite angle. What we call as, this is your external angle and this is two opposite angle. So this theorem we call
Yes.
as external angle is equal to sum of two opposite angle. Okay.
Yes.
So you want to note it down or should I delete? Okay, you will get the video also. No problem. So based on that, you can solve this question. Try. Hello.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Got it?
Yes.
All three?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What is the first question?
In the given figure, find angle YRX,
Yeah.
YRQ. To find YRQ, we need to add angle RPQ and angle RQP. So that is 60 plus 70 degree. That will give you 130 degree.
So find angle YRQ. Where is YRQ? This angle, right?
Yes.
So this will be the sum of opposite angle. That is 60 plus
Yes,
70.
yes,
How
that
much
is
it will?
130.
130. What is the PRQ? PRQ means this angle. So these two are complementary. This is 130. So this will be 50 degree.
Yeah, 180 minus
In a
150.
triangle, external angle is equal to sum of two opposite angle, right?
Yes.
Okay, question number third. What happened? Can you read the question?
Reading. One of the exterior angle of
Yeah,
a triangle ABC measures 150 degree. If one
right,
of the interior opposite angle is 75 degree, find the other interior opposite angle. What type of triangle is it?
right. So sum of two interior angle is 75, 150 degree, right?
Yes. One of the exterior angle.
One, one of the exterior angle. Okay, right. So actually 150 degree will be sum of this angle and one more interior opposite angle.
Yeah, so to find it, we will subtract 75 from 150.
Right. So 75 from 150. So it will be another will
So
be
that
also
is 150
75, right?
minus.
So
Yeah,
what kind of triangle it is?
it will be if two angle measures the same and one is different, that means it is
Isosceles
isosceles angle.
triangle, right?
Isosceles triangle.
Okay. It will be
Yes.
isosceles triangle. Question number 4.
One of the
Uh,
exterior angles triangle is 100 degree. The interior opposite angles are equal to each other. Find the measure of these equal interior opposite angles.
right. So basically both two are 50 plus 50, right?
Yes.
Because this is, and
But
last
it
class I
can be.
give you, hello.
Yes.
Last class I gave you solve linear equation some questions. Did you do it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. That you need to send me the photograph of that. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I
So these
will.
two are 50 and 50, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Question number 5.
In a triangle, one of the exterior angle is 105 degree. One of the interior angle is 75 degree.
Yeah.
Find the measure of all the angles of the triangle.
Yeah. One of the exterior is 105, one of the interior opposite is 75. So how will you find it out? Can you do it?
Uh, first, we
And
will first we will find the second opposite angle. So for
right,
that, we will subtract 75 from 105. So
Right.
105, 75 is equal to 30.
Right.
So the second opposite angle is 30 degree. So we
Right.
got the two opposite angles, that is 75 and 30.
What will be
So
the
we
third
will,
one?
to find the third one, we will subtract 105 from 180.
Yeah. So it
So
is also
180 minus
75, right?
105. Yeah.
Okay. Question number 6. Okay.
So in the
This one.
given triangle, find the
Yeah.
measure of angle PRQ.
Yeah. PRQ. This is 90 degree, right?
Yes.
So this will be
140 minus 90 will, no.
what?
140 minus 90 will give the angle R.
Definitely. What will it be?
That will be 50 degree.
Right. And what is this angle?
This angle, so 180 minus 140, that is 40 degree.
Hmm. Good. Now question number 1. And triangle ABC angle A is 44, AB equal to AC. Find angle B and C. So we know that in a
The sum of
triangle,
three angles will be 180.
yeah,
The sum of three angles will be 180.
right. But if these two sides are equal, if this is equal to this is angle A, B, C. If two sides are equal, then we call it as isosceles triangle.
Yes.
And in isosceles triangle, these two angles are also equal.
Yes.
Yeah. So same way we can do that. Angle A is 44 degree. So what it is
Yes.
saying, like suppose this is a triangle, so this is isosceles because AB equal to AC. So these two
Yes.
angles will also be equal, right?
Yes.
So this is 44. So this will be, this addition of these two will be 180 minus
180
44,
minus
right?
44.
That is 146.
That is 146.
And divided by 2 will be angle B and angle C. That is 73 degree. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Do the question number 2. I'm just coming in 1 minute.
Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle with PQ is equal to PR. If R is equal to 42, find the measure of angle P.
Hello.
Yes, doing it.
Yeah.
So the angle P will be 38 degree, as it is saying that it is isosceles triangle, which is
Yeah.
PQ is equal to PR. So if
Okay.
angle R is equal to 42 degree, then
Right.
P and Q needs to be equal.
Right.
So that will be 180 minus 42 degree.
Right.
That will give you 38 degree.
Check the answer.
Checking.
Yeah.
Okay, it is coming 96 degree.
Where are you doing the mistakes?
Worksheet 2, 96 degree, question 2. Yes.
Yeah.
No, you said that
Right.
two angles in an isosceles triangle, two angles need to be equal.
See,
So
this is
P,
your isosceles. Just draw the diagram. In geometry, without drawing the diagram, you cannot solve it. Okay.
okay.
So this is your P, this is your Q, and this is your R, right? So it is saying
Yes.
that PQ equal to PR, means this angle is equal to this angle, right? This line is equal to this line, okay? It means this
Yes.
angle is equal to this angle, right? So if this angle is
Yes.
42, then this will be 42, right?
Yes.
So this angle will be 180 minus 42 minus 42. So what will it be? Hello?
180 minus 84.
Right. That is 96, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, like this.
Question number
Yes.
third. Do it. First, draw the diagram. Whatever you are doing, just draw the diagram, then go ahead.
Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. If B is equal to 40, what are the measures of angle A and angle C?
Yeah.
Yeah, so A is common angle. To find A, we will add 40 plus 40 because it is an isosceles angle. So angle C
Right.
will be of 40 degrees.
And
So
angle A.
40 plus 40 is 80.
So what will be angle A?
So angle A will be 180 minus 80, that will give you 100.
Right. Question number 4. Check the answer first, but
What?
check the answer. Answer.
Oh, just a minute, checking. 100 degree and 40 degree. Yes.
Good. Question number 5.
No, 4.
Right. 4. Base angle.
The
Base angle we call this two angle we call as base angle. Suppose this is your triangle. So this two angle we call as base angle. Okay. This is we call as apex angle.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
The vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 100. Find its base angles. So it's an isosceles angle.
Yeah.
So that 180 minus 100 will give you the angle of one base angle. So it's an isosceles angle. So automatically the one angle and the other angle will be equal. So 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree.
Right.
So one angle will be, then it will be divided by 2. 80 divided by 2 will happen, right? So
Right.
that will give you 40 degree.
Right. Question number 5.
In figure 8.5, triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC. Find the value of X and Y.
Hmm.
Okay. So 180 minus 30, that will give you 150. So 150 divided by 2 will give you 75. So it's an isosceles angle, so both the degrees will be of 75.
Okay. Question number 6. Check the answer but.
Yeah, checking. Yeah, so worksheet 2, question 5, it's 105 and 105.
Just a second. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
We
Now.
don't need to divide it.
Yeah.
We don't need to divide it.
See, this is your 30 degree. Okay.
Yes.
So 180 minus 30 is 150. So this will be
Yes.
75
Yes.
and this will be 75, right?
Yes.
So this exterior angle will be sum of the interior angle. So 75 plus 30 is 105.
Okay, like, so
Right.
find
This,
the values of X and Y.
yeah.
Okay.
Next we can do.
Yes.
Question number 6. Do it.
In figure 8.6, find ACB and angle A and write which sides of triangle ABC are equal. Find ACB. So that is to find angle C.
Yeah. So how will
So
you find it?
to find first, we need to find angle A for that.
Right.
For that.
So what
So
will be angle
that
A?
will 130 minus 80.
Right.
That will give 50 degree.
So what will be this angle?
So
This is also
180 minus,
50. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, now you are getting comfortable to find angle. Okay, do the question number 7.
In figure 8.7, AB is equal to AC
Yeah.
and AP is perpendicular to BC.
Yeah.
Angle B is 60 degree, then find BAP. So if angle B is 60 degree, angle P is 90 degree because it's the angle, it's a square. So that shows the symbol of 90 degree. So 90 plus 60 is 150 degree.
Yeah.
So 180 minus 50 degree is angle A will be 30 degree.
Hmm. Check the answer.
Checking.
Yeah.
Oh, one more angle is there.
Yeah. Angle BAP. BAP.
That we
And
did.
angle
Angle,
ACP.
angle ACB. So we need to find C as well.
Right.
So to find angle C, how we will find that?
See, this is your exterior angle of this triangle, right?
Yes.
So angle B is 60. So this will be 30.
Yes.
So this angle will be 30. And AB equal to AC. So these two are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. So this will be equal to this. So this will also be 60.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now let me see the answer.
Question number 8.
Yeah, it's right. It's 30 and 60. In figure 8.8, find x and y. Is triangle ABC isosceles? If so, name its equal sides. Find x and y. So x and y are interior angles. To
Right.
find that, um, we need, okay, we found A already. So the angle A is 40.
Yeah.
So here to find the interior angle, we will subtract 40 from 180. So 180 minus 40 is 140. So then 140 divided by 2 will give 70. So yes, each degree will be 70.
Okay. So this is
So it's
70.
isosceles.
And this is?
This will be also 70, no?
Right. Okay. Worksheet 3. See, for a side of triangle, there is a do you have some kind of sticks, small sticks like in broomstick kind of in your home?
Stick. Like ice cream sticks or what?
Yeah, yeah. Small
That
take
stick.
3 small sticks.
Toothpick.
Yeah, toothpick also you can take.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you
So
taken
what do we do with the toothpick? Let me just
3 toothpick?
I bought it. Yes, I have 3 toothpicks now.
Okay. Okay, I will explain you. Hello.
Yes.
So suppose we have 3 lines. This is one line, this is one line, and this is one line. So suppose this line is bigger than sum of these two lines. Is it possible to make a triangle out of it?
Yes,
Because
it will be.
yeah, that is what I am trying to say, that take 3 toothpick so that length of one toothpick will be bigger than the sum of two toothpicks.
Okay, yes. It can form a triangle.
Bigger than these two means if you add this and this, so this will be bigger than both. So suppose if this is 5 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. Can you make a triangle?
Yes.
Try it then by taking a
Okay,
toothpick. So
wait, a 5 centimeter, a 3 centimeter, and one. It will not be completed because
right,
it means that two uh, angle 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter needs to be greater or equal to 5
right.
centimeter.
So this is the condition of a triangle, that two sides like AB plus BC should be greater than CA, then only we can make a triangle. Okay.
Okay.
So that is what I'm trying to teach you. Okay. So based on that first question, try it.
Okay. So 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 8 centimeter.
Yeah.
So it's there. Then we need to take the largest one, right?
Right. Largest one is 8. So
8.
8 and this
So
is
6.
10. So we can make, right?
Yes.
What about this?
This. It's 18 and 10 plus 8 is also 18.
So we cannot make it. It will
So
be a straight line.
yes.
Yeah. What about this?
Then maybe 4 and 10. No, we
No.
cannot.
What about this?
Smaller. 35, 38 and 40. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Question number 2.
A point O is in the interior of angle ABC. Use the symbols greater, smaller, and equal to make the following statements true. So OA plus OB is equal is dash
See, first
AB.
draw the triangle. This is your triangle, right? This is
Yes.
A, this is B, this is C, and inside there is a point O. Okay, so it's saying OA plus OB. So this is your OB and this is OA. So OA plus OB, this and this should be greater than AB, right? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
So then only we can complete triangle OAB.
Yes.
So this will be greater than OA plus. Then next question B.
So OA plus OB will be greater than AB.
Here also greater and here also greater, right?
Yeah.
Then
So OA
add
plus
all
OB
these,
is equal to that. Yeah, all will be the greater signs.
right? If you add all these three, what will you get? Add these three one side and add these three one side. What will you get?
You will get 3 parts.
Yeah,
So
add it, add it.
the angles are not given. I will add it.
No, just add this. See, If you add these three, what will get?
So any
OA
triangle is
plus
180.
OB plus OB plus OC plus OA plus OC, right?
Yes.
And it will be greater than these three, means AB plus BC plus CA, right?
Yes.
So in this equation, if you see, OA is 2 times, OB is 2
Ye-
times, and OC is 2
Yes.
times. It means we can say
Yes.
that 2 into OA plus OB plus OC will be greater than AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. So that is what we
Yes.
need to show here.
Yes.
Yeah. Question number 3.
The length of two sides of a triangle are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter.
Yeah.
Between what two measures will the length of the third side fall?
Yeah.
Okay, so that should be smaller than 10. I mean greater than 6 and 4, but smaller than 10.
Right. Length of two sides
So
is
you
4
can
and
take
6.
9, you can take 8, you can even take 7.
Yeah, you can take 7 also.
Yes.
Then you can take 6 also. Up to 2 you
6?
can take. You cannot take 1.
Yeah, up to, yes.
Yeah. Next is Pythagoras theorem. You know what is Pythagoras theorem?
No.
Pythagoras says that in a right angle triangle, you know what is right angle triangle?
Yeah, the one side of the triangle will be 90 degree.
So this is your
Yeah,
90.
the one angle will be 90.
So Pythagoras says that the square of these two sides, if you add, it will be equal to the third side, third big longest side. Okay. From Pythagoras said that
Okay.
AB square plus BC square will be equal to AC square. Okay. And
Okay.
this is what we call as Pythagoras theorem.
Okay. So Pythagoras was someone, I mean, some person, or it was just a name to give
Yeah,
you
he was
this?
a person who invented this. So based on that, we call it Pythagoras theorem. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Just a minute. There will here it will be written Pythagoras theorem. Yes, it is. Pythagoras, a Greek philosopher
What?
of 6th century BC, found this.
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras, a
Yeah.
Greek philosopher, a
Philosopher.
Greek philosopher
Yeah.
of 6th century BC,
Yeah. A
find
long ago,
this.
actually.
Found.
Yeah. You know, in right angle
Yeah.
triangle, this we call as perpendicular. Suppose you are taking this angle theta, then this will be your perpendicular. This will be your base, and this we call as hypotenuse.
What is
Okay.
hypotenuse?
Yeah. Hypotenuse.
What is hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse, that this side, in right angle triangle, the longest side we call as hypotenuse. Okay. So
Okay.
perpendicular will represent with P, base we represent with B, and hypotenuse we represent with h. So we can say that p square plus b square will be equal to h square. Okay.
Okay.
So if you need to find h, what will happen? A square will go this side and it will become a square root. So h will be equal to square root of p square plus b square, right?
Yes.
Like multiplication go other side and become division. Like addition go another side and become subtraction. Yeah,
The opposite of power is square root.
right. A square, opposite of a square is a square root. Okay.
Okay.
So from same equation, if you
Opposite
see,
of a cube.
opposite of cube is cube root. We represent like this,
Okay.
cube root. Okay. So we understand that
Okay.
p square plus b square will be equal to h square. Okay. So suppose you bring p this side,
Okay.
what will happen? B square will be equal to h square minus p square, right? Hello.
Yes.
So b will be equal to square root of h square minus p square. Same way, if you bring b square this side, it will become p square will be equal to h square minus b square. So p will be equal to square root of h square minus b square. Got it? Hello?
Okay.
Yeah. So anyone, if you any two you know, you can find easily find the third. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So see, based on that, solve the worksheet for question number 1.
The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 17 centimeters long. If one of the remaining two sides is of length 8 centimeters, find the length of the third side. So, as per you say that hypotenuse of a right angle needs to be equal to the the opposite both angles, right?
Yeah.
So 17 minus 8 will give you the third angle. So that is 9 centimeter. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, tell me.
The answer will be 9 centimeter.
Right. 9. What is the square of
Yeah,
17?
9. Because, oh, how
You
do,
need to
okay.
find b. So b will be equal to square root of h square minus p square, right?
17 into 17.
Right. So b will be equal to square root of 17 square minus 8 square. So b will be equal to square root. What is the 17 square? 269.
189.
189?
189.
Just
289.
289. Just a second. Let me check.
Because 7 sevens are 49, no?
17 into 17. 289, right? So that is 289 minus 64. So what will come? 289 minus 64? 225.
289 minus 64.
And what will be the square root of 225?
Square root of 225. So 225 divided by 2 will give you.
Not divide, square root.
How to do square root now?
Which number you multiply 2 times to get 225?
17
Huh?
and 8. 17 and 8 we got now.
15. 15 into 15 is 220 now. 225.
So how to do square root now?
You don't know how to do a square root?
No.
Okay. In next class, I will teach you how to do.
Okay.
Okay. Do the next question. Do the next question.
The
Next.
next
Yeah.
question. The length of a hypotenuse of a right angle is 13 centimeter. If one of the sides of the triangle is 5 centimeter long, find the length of the other side. So
Right.
13 square plus 5 square will give you the number, and you need to find the square root of. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, so 13 square.
13 is square
That
minus
will
5
give
square.
Yeah, 5 square is 25. 13
Yeah.
square is 160. So 169 minus 25. 9 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 2, 4, 1.
Yeah.
144 square root. Now, how to find square root? So 144 square root will be?
What you get? Square root of 144.
Yes.
That is 12 square. 12. Square root of 144 is 12.
Okay.
Yeah. I will teach you in next class how to do a square root. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We'll stop our class here only. Rest question you can do as a homework. Okay.
Should I do it in the next to next class? Because when you will teach me the square root,
Okay.
so I
Okay. No
will then
problem.
do it by.
Definitely you can do it in next to next class. And next class we can learn this square root and then we can resume our linear equation. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.